Welcome to the Lobby AI dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to update your employee profile. There are two quick ways to access your profile. Click Update My Profile under Quick Links, or select My Profile from the side menu. Here, you'll see your account details, including personal information, job details, compensation details, and payroll information. Click Edit Account Info. As an employee, you can update two main areas: personal information, payment information. Let's start with payment details. You can edit your bank information by selecting your bank from the drop-down, entering your account number, and waiting for validation. Once confirmed, your bank account is successfully updated. Next, you can edit your personal details. These include name, gender, phone number, date of birth, address, city, state, postal code, t-shirt size, emergency contact. After making changes, click Update Data. You'll see a confirmation message that your profile has been updated successfully. You can then review your profile to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. And that's it. Your profile is now updated. Thank you.